Welcome to the demo of a Power Automate bot that will automatically convert raw data to reports. Data is everywhere, but turning it into insights can take too long. Manual work slows everything down, creating bottlenecks in the decision-making process. This challenge often begins across departments with a raw dataset in Excel, where teams spend hours cleaning data, creating pivot tables, and building charts just to make it usable. Intelligent automation changes that. Instead of relying on manual effort, our bot, built with Power Automate Desktop, has been designed to replicate the entire reporting process in a single automated workflow. Let's look at the demo, where the goal is to turn raw data into a clear visual dashboard that brings everything together in a high-level report. Here, sales data is used as an example, but the same challenge applies to any dataset. With one click, the bot takes over. It emulates the exact steps a person would normally perform, opening the Excel file, processing thousands of rows, building a pivot summary, and generating a chart. All of this runs silently in the background at high speed, requiring no human effort. And just like that, the process is complete. The same Excel file now contains a transformed summary sheet, featuring a formatted pivot table that shows total sales by region and a professional bar chart that makes the data instantly clear. What once demanded hours of effort is now done in minutes. To recap, a repetitive, error-prone process has been automated. The result is faster reporting, greater accuracy, and consistent outputs, freeing teams to focus on high-value analysis instead of manual preparation. This shift drives smarter, faster business decisions. Looking to automate manual processes that slow growth? Connect with the automation experts at www.kanerika.com/meet.